Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and user experiences of the UREVO Walking Pad and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we're here to help you decide which treadmill could be your next fitness partner. When it comes to price, the UREVO Walking Pad is more wallet-friendly at around $199, appealing to those looking for a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill asks for a bit more investment at $299, positioning itself as a premium choice. Reviewers appreciate the UREVO's affordability, while some are willing to pay extra for the Cursor's added features. Regarding shock absorption, the UREVO Walking Pad boasts a double shock absorption system, earning praise for its cloud-like walking experience. However, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill lacks specific mentions of shock absorption in reviews, making it a gamble on comfort during use. Portability and size are key factors for many users. The UREVO is lauded for its lightweight design and ease of movement, making it a great choice for small spaces. The Cursor, with its larger running area, caters to those seeking more room to move, albeit at the cost of increased space requirements. Noise level is a critical aspect, especially for indoor workouts. The UREVO operates quietly at less than 45 decibels, making it ideal for office or apartment use. The Cursor, with a noise range of 40 to 65 decibels, offers a quieter experience at lower speeds, but can become louder during intense workouts. Feature-wise, the UREVO comes equipped with a simple LED display and remote control. The Cursor steps up the game with a digital LED console, real-time heart rate monitoring, and 12 preset programs, offering a more comprehensive workout experience. Warranty and service are important for long-term satisfaction. The UREVO offers a 1-year warranty, which is standard, but might leave some wanting more. The Cursor impressively extends this to a 5-year warranty, providing a sense of security and long-term commitment to its users. Overall, online reviews reveal that users appreciate the UREVO Walking Pad for its affordability, portability, and quiet operation, making it a favorite for those with limited space or a need for a discrete workout solution. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill, while higher in price, is praised for its sturdiness, comprehensive features, and excellent customer service, appealing to those seeking a more robust home gym experience. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope this has helped illuminate the differences and similarities between the UREVO Walking Pad and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. For more information and to check out the products for yourself, links are in the description below. Until next time, happy shopping and stay active!